Hello, beautiful people. So we have all of these boxes, all of these PRs to unbox, and I thought I would do it with you guys. And also, in my previous unboxing video, I showed you the PR from Society Tea. I'll put the picture somewhere here, and its unboxing will be done at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. So let me get this out of here first. Okay. First of all, we're starting with Soulflower. Now, I do know what is it, and I have used Soulflower products earlier. I have been using its rosemary oil, essential oil. I'm really sorry, my throat is not working nicely right now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I've been using its rosemary essential oil, and trust me, I've put so many of my friends on it because it is so good for hair growth. Let me show you guys. Like you see these small hair, they're actually my baby hair that have grown through rosemary essential oil. So I'll put the link below in the description for you to purchase it because it is really very good. And its smell is also very nice. Like if you're someone who likes the smell of like eucalyptus or lavender essential oil, then it is very good. Okay. So we have got rosemary plus lavender healthy hair oil with amla. Okay. This is organic cold pressed hair growth for hair growth and thickening. It has castor oil, which I love, and sesame seed oil again, which I love, and coconut, which again I love, and rosemary oil and amla. I have seen a lot of reviews about people using amla for their hair, and I do want to try it in the near future. This packaging is so cute. Also, the entire packaging is very cute. It is written chemical free, natural skin and hair oils, fresh ingredients grown on our farm. By the way, this is a female oil brand. That's why the things are so good and they actually work. Okay, this packaging is very good, by the way. Yeah. I have the same rosemary oil. I have another bottle. I'll show it to you guys. And yeah, that time it did not come with a dropper, but now it has very tiny and cute dropper. Okay. So yeah, if you're someone who is suffering from hair loss or if you just want to get some more hair growth, then rosemary essential oil is really very good for you. I've been using it and I've put a lot of my friends, family, colleagues, etc. on rosemary oil. It is extremely good. The most exciting packet. Now the rest of the three, that is all these three, they are from I think the same brand, that is Brillare. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is Brillare. So I think it is Brillare. And one should also be from Deconstruct. These are all again barter PR. I love opening PR packages, you know. It is literally in my manifestation board to be able to open just so many PRs. You know, those videos where they do unboxing PRs for like, I opened it around good for like an hour or so. Fingers crossed for that video to be coming soon, very soon. Wow. Okay, this is good. So we have got Deconstruct Clearing Serum with 2% alpha arbutin. I love alpha arbutin. One of my first PRs was, I don't remember the brand, but the product had alpha arbutin. And I was very suspicious whether that product would be working or not. So I did not use it on my face, I used it on my body. And I do regret it still because I'm really sorry. Because alpha arbutin really is very good. And this one also has niacinamide. So it's good. I love using niacinamide. It is very good for your pores. And I've also seen a complexion change with niacinamide. Although I'm not very sure whether it was due to niacinamide or because I was home. So yeah. Okay, this one again, I think this has some leakage. Okay, this one again, I am excited to try. It has vitamin C and ferulic acid. Now, I have seen a lot of videos saying that vitamin C serum or vitamin C, whatever you use, is good, but it is better if it has ferulic acid in it. Okay, so next we have Letalite shampoo. This is from Brillare. Brillare is a homegrown brand. And one thing that everyone loves about it is that the ingredients are written here only. That is at the front instead of at the back. It has lactylate. I think lactylate is lactic acid, which is present in curd also. It has pyroxetone olamine, which I don't know, salicylic acid. That is good for detox, I think, and aloe vera and natural cleansing base. What is there in natural cleansing base? I don't know because it's not written. Write that if you are watching this. Okay, so this one it is for itchy, flaky, and dandruff prone scalp, and it has 80% natural ingredients and 20% safe synthetics. Now, this is sulfate free, and I think this is also paraben free. I I think so because I thought I saw it. Another from Brillare. Look, Politics is a dream selling industry that sells emotions but not real solutions. We are not happy with the status quo. So we decided to focus on ingredients that work rather than stories that disappoint. Wow. Join us at Focus on Ingredients. So it is here. So good, but all this packaging for not so good. Okay, whatever. So there's a salicylic acid body lotion. I'm so happy that it has come in amber colored bottle because many brands don't realize that so many ingredients, so many pharmaceutical products, they're actually reactive with sunlight. So it's good that they have put it in amber colored bottle. It smells good actually. Oh, it smells like, some kind of natural oils. It smells natural, not at all synthetic. Oh, it has a different kind of feel to it. Oh, wow. It instantly got absorbed. This is not sticky at all. I love it. I'm going to use this every day. I am going to use this every day. Can you see that? And it's just not sticky at all. I love it. I it smells good. It smells good. Like I'm someone who likes natural fragrances, all the natural fragrances. So so this is Terravon shampoo. The other one it was lactylate shampoo. This is Terravon shampoo. This one is for repairing and preventing all kind of hair damage. This has Terravon malic. It has protein complex, aloe vera, and natural cleansing base. Okay, this one it is for hair repairing, preventing and all kind of hair damage. And this one it is for itchy, flaky, and dandruff prone scalp. This one, lactylate one. And I have seen so many reviews that Prelair is actually a very, very good brand. So I'm really excited to try out all these three products. The third one, that is the salicylic acid body lotion. It has AHA and salicylic acid. So it's really good. What AHA will do, it will lighten your skin, and salicylic acid it will give mild exfoliation. So if you are someone who, for example, has maybe problem of ingrown hair, or some people they have a problem with body acne, so I think that will really help because it will help you to not only prevent scars, prevent more acne and heal the current acne, but it will also help you to heal the scars from your previous acne. So that's why I think that one is Really, really good. I will put the links to all of these in the description box below. Also for Soulflower One, because they recently even offered me an affiliate membership to put the affiliate link so that you can buy it from using my code. I think my code is girlup164 or Sakshi164. I'll write that down also. So yeah, I really hope that you guys use these products. So that is it. And now I'll show you guys the Society Tea unboxing.